Hello everyone, good day to all. I welcome all my dear kids to today's online live classes. I am Pushpashri, faculty of Bhattanba Tutorials. I'll be handling mathematics for Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS school entrance exam. My dear kids, in the last session, we were discussing about the chapter of simplification. There we have solved some of the problems. So, in today's session also, we'll solve some of the problems. Okay. So, I'll be continuing with the same chapter in today's session. And as I have said in the beginning of the class, this chapter is there for Sainik as well as Navodaya, but not for RMS. And if you people have missed the last session, please go through the description box and watch the previous class videos. We'll just move on to today's session. So, in today's session, we'll be discussing some of the problems. So, come, let's move on. So, you can copy this later, but listen to me now. So, the question here is simplify, simplify the expression, simplify the expression. And what is the expression? The expression is 150 minus inside the bracket, write it as 19 plus 11, close the bracket, divided by 2 is. So this is your question. So what you have to do, they had given you one expression. You people should simplify that expression. How will you simplify the expression? See here, this is the expression and you people need to simplify this expression. How you will simplify? As we know, with the usage of the rule of Vibormus, we will be simplifying this particular problem. So let us move on to the solution now. See to the solution. In the solution, again I'll be rewriting the question. So that is 150 minus 19 plus 11, close the bracket, divided by 2. So this is your equation. So if we go through according to Vibormus rule, V stands for vinculum bar, and in the question there is no vinculum bar. So we are not going to concentrate on V, that is vinculum bar. So next we have B, where B is going to stand for brackets, and in the question there is no brackets, so we are not going to concentrate here on the brackets. So yes, one mistake. What is that? We have the brackets in the question. So in brackets we have three types of bracket. So one is circle bracket, another one is flower bracket, and the third one is square bracket. Correct? But in the question we have circle bracket, as you can see in between 19 and 11. So it is there in circle bracket. So what we have to do? So we will be removing this circle bracket in the question. So that is 150 minus 19 plus 11, which gives you 30. So write 30 divided by 2. Got this? Next, O is that, where O is going to stand for off. Since there is no off in the question, will not concentrate on that. And the next is D. D is going to stand for division, and in the question there is a division, so we'll be dividing the terms. So 150 as it is minus as it is 30 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, the remainder is 1, take the 0 down, 2 fives are it is 10, and the remainder is 0, and in the place of these two numbers put 15. Got this? And now 150 minus 15. So plus 150 minus 15. So now here 0 it cannot be. So here it will be 4. 10 minus 5 it is 5. 4 minus 1 it is 3. And here 1 as it is. So 135 is your answer. So when you simplify this particular equation, you're going to get the answer as 135. So again I'll explain, you can listen. The expression is 150 minus 19 plus 1 inside the circle bracket divided by 2. So when I remove the circle bracket, 19 plus 11, which gives me 30. So this is the first step you will be doing. Okay. So which gives me 30 divided by 2 as it is. So if I go to Viborgmus rule, next is division. D stands for division. I'll go with the division. So when I divide this, I'll get the answer as 15. Write the 15 over here. So now 150 minus 15, which gives me 135. So when I simplify this particular equation, I will get the answer as 135. Okay. So now you people can copy down this. Copy down. So fine. Hope you all copied this. We'll just move on to the next problem. Okay. So see to the next problem here. The difference between the number, the difference between the number, the difference between the number, the difference between the number and its and its 3/5 is, and its 3/5 is 40, comma, what is the number? What is the number? So this is your question. See to the question. So what they are telling that the difference between the number. So there is one number, they are not telling you which is the number. So when they are not telling the number, what we usually do? We are going to consider the number as x. And it 3/5 is 140. 3/5 in the sense 3 divided by 5. So this one we are going to call it as 3/5. Say for example, in this is a circle and there are 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that 3 parts has been shaded. That means we are going to call this as 3/5. Okay. So 3/5 is how much they are telling? 40. Okay. And what is the number? If 3/5 is 40, so what is this particular number they are asking? Okay. The difference between the number and it's 3/5. So there is a difference between the number. So you don't know the number and there is a difference between that number, and that is 3/5 is 40. The difference after difference, the 3/5 part is 40. And what is that particular number, you have to find out. Okay. So now we'll just move on to the solution. Once I do the solution, you will understand. See to the solution now. Let the number be x. Since we don't know the number, first sentence will be let the number be x, because we don't know what is the number, so we are going to considering the number as x, and they are telling the difference between the numbers, that is 3/5 part, which will be equal to 40. How you will get to know? You have to write like this only. See here, the difference between the number. Difference is what? Minus. Say for example, so I have 5 chocolates, you have 2 chocolates. So 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. There is a difference of 3 chocolates in between me and you. So difference is nothing but somewhere you will be subtracting it. So x. minus, and its 3/5 is 40. 3/5 of its, see here, it's a 3/5. That means the number of 3/5 for this number, the 3/5 of the number which gives you 40. This is how we will be understanding. So this is the number. So we don't know the number in the question. So we are considering the number as x. So let the number be x, and the difference between the number. So the difference is nothing but minus. So there is a number, and the difference between that number, it's 3/5. Okay. The difference between these numbers is 3/5 of that number, and which is equal to 40. Got this? So now we'll just move on to further thing. So cross multiply this. 5x minus 3x divided by 5, which gives you 40. How? See here, 5 into x. So here if nothing is there, we are going to considering as 1, right? Take the LCM for 5 and 1. So if I take the LCM for 5 and 1, the LCM will be 5. LCM is how much? 5. Put the 5 here. Take the first part, x by 1 into 5. 1 ones are 1 fives are. 5 into x, which gives you 5x. Write the 5x here. Now take 3 by 5. 3 by 5 into 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So there is a x, right? 3x. And 3x into 1, 3x. So that 3x. Since there is a sign of subtraction, I am putting the sign of subtraction here. It's equal to 40 as it is. So now 5 minus 3 will gives you 2x divided by 5, which is equal to 40. Okay. So 5x minus 3x, which gives you 2x divided by 5 as it is equal to 40 is also as it is. So now, since there is a variable, take the variable outside, and now it will be 40 into 5 divided by 2, cross multiplication. 40 into 5 divided by 2. So now x is equal to, I'll be continuing over here, 45s are 200 divided by 2, x is equal to 100, and the number, therefore the number is 100. Got this? So again I'll just explain, you can listen to me. Okay, listen. So the difference between the number and its 3/5 is 40. There is one number, they are not telling which is that number. That number and the difference between that particular number and the 3/5 part of that number, which will be equal to 40. And what is the number you have to find out. Okay? So to find out that, we don't know the number. Since we don't know the number, we are considering the number as x. Okay. So the difference between the number, difference is nothing but subtraction. Say for example, I have 5 books, you people have 2 books. What is the difference between the books between me and you? There is a difference of 3 books. How did you found it out? 5 minus 2, it is 3. So this is what the difference is. So that's the reason I am putting the sign of subtraction here. So x by 1 minus, they are telling in the question it is 3/5 is 40. That means 3 by 5 x. X is the number which is equal to 40. 40 they have already given in the question. So 1x, here it is x minus 3 by 5 x, which is equal to 40. Here you have formed one equation. Okay. So if there is nothing is there, we are going to consider that as 1. So when it is there in the fraction format, what we usually do? We usually take the LCM. Take the LCM of 1 and 5, and the LCM is 5. Put the 5 over here. Take the first part of the fraction, that is x by 1 into 5. 1 ones are 1 fives are. 5 into x, it is 5x.
So take the second part of the fraction 3 by 5. 3 by 5 into 5. 5 ones are, this is 5, okay? 5 ones are, 5 ones are. 3x ones are 3x. Put the 3x over here. Is equal to 40 as it is. Now 5x minus 3x, which will gives you 2x. 5 minus 3 it is 2. Since x is common, write the x as it is. Divided by 5 as it is, which is equal to 40. So now 2x by 5, which is equal to 40. This is one of the equation you have got. Since there are all the numbers and this x is in a variable place, take the x to your left hand side, which is equal to, do the cross multiplication. If nothing is here, we are going to consider it as 1, right? So 5 into 40, 2 into 1. You have taken the x already, right? So 40 into 5, 2 into 1. So if I write 2 into 1, it is 2 only, okay? So 40 into 5 gives you 200. 2 ones are, it is 2. So here 2 ones are, 2 ones are 0, 0. So therefore x is equal to 100. Since we are considering the number as x, and what is the thing they are asking in the question? What is the number? So therefore the number is 100. Got this? So now you people can copy down this, copy down.